works, the way this works is pretty simple. So you go into maintenance, and let's say you want to track the number of maintenance requests on an actual piece of equipment. Create a piece of equipment. Just call this truck 0012. And now let's say you want to track the actual maintenance requests on here. You can track them up here, but if you want to actually put the table in there, create a new table here. We'll call this requests. And then what you'll do is you'll add a one-to-many, and you will relate it to the equipment. And save it. And you'll see all your maintenance requests just like that. And now you can go in and you can add maintenance requests. You can say for the truck, preventative, assign scheduled date, assign to, and hurry up. And it creates that, and you can store them all right there. And now, as you go into the maintenance dashboard, you'll see all your maintenance requests here. You can also create them from here. And as you assign them to that piece of equipment, you'll see when you go back to that equipment, everything is stored here, including request 2. So that's one way. But also keep in mind they track up here as well, which gives you a nice view. So you can see it in both directions. Now, to create a custom table, you open Studio, edit the menu, and you click New Menu, because all a table is a menu. And you create your new menu, and you can say, special maintenance requests, and you create and just create, and then you confirm it, and you'll see you have a new menu here. It's a new table, and you can go in and design that table, right? So let's close out, and we can see if we go to maintenance, special maintenance requests, there's nothing here. We can create, and it's a blank record, and I can easily go in and begin to design this, right? I can add my Many2One and add my equipment. I can add my maintenance request if I want to. I can add my, if there's a customer or if there's a date, right? I can do my scheduled date. Anything I want to relate it back to. And I can open up my chatter. I can add a pipeline bar to give it a status. And now I have my new record, right? You can go through and relate to the request if you want. So I can see all you do now is you go to equipment there, Studio, and we can create another category, another tab titled Special Requests. And as long as the equipment field is on that special request, I'll be able to relate the special request back to the equipment, right? And I'll drop my special requests right there. And you'll have to edit, right? You can also go in and you'll see that looks blank, but you click Studio and you can go to here and actually click Edit the List View, and here's the view. Now here are all the fields we created on there, right? So I have my my actual maintenance. I can see my my status, pipeline. I can see this actual request. You could have a name if you wanted to, the date. Drag and drop this over here. Save it. So now I'll see when I go here, that's what it looks like in the view. And I can drill in and see that special request. Change the status of it, or I can, if I click edit, I can edit it. So that's how you can begin to get fairly strategic there. And I can obviously, if I go to special requests, I would see I'd have to edit this view as well with all those fields, right? Same concept as before, because it's a different view. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions.